going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Meek, and today what I'm going to be cleaning up is going to be some Jordan 1 breads, but it's not going to be a full clean. It's not going to be like any kind of restoration. I pretty much keep my shoes looking legit 100% all the time, but the only issue that I'm running into is that they're getting glitter. Now, I haven't worn them in a couple years, so I believe that's why the glitter is starting to kind of form on the shoe. But let's go ahead and take a look and see what I'm talking about. All right, as we see here, we got that glitter right on that leather right there. Let's see if it focuses. Got that glitter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up, get the glitter off the shoe, and then protect the leather. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just knock off the glitter with the dry bristle brush. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over the shoe with like a shoe wipe, but it's not necessarily a shoe wipe. I know if you've seen a video before where I did some New Balances that I cleaned it off with some Rejuvenator shoe wipes, but they were dried out and really wasn't working that great. But now what I'm gonna do is kind of go into option number 2. Now you can get these wipes anywhere, and I'll show you what they are. All right, so now that we got majority of the glitter off, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and protect the leather with some mink oil, and that way it keeps the leather looking mwah. And there you go. That's how you simply get the glitter off your Jordan 1 breads, or even whatever Jordan 1s or whatever Jordans you got, sneakers, whatever you have that is getting that glitter on them. That's how you take them off, and that's how you protect the leather. But let's go ahead and take a look at the shoe and see how it turned out. Hey guys, thanks for watching this quick video on how to get the glitter off your Jordan 1 breads and how to protect the leather. Now, if you'd like to see more videos like this, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. That way the algorithm pushes my channel out to more people. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.